This is really what people need. We're a very vibrant city, we've got lots of talents out there and we need to have these sort of things to harness them.
I think A, to be energised, get new ideas and actually to follow it up, and organisations to carry on and do things differently and better.
Innovation is really key to starting to understand how we can begin to meet the huge challenge that is maintaining good quality health and social care services at a time of less resource and increasing demand.
To try and find new ways to work with not only service providers but service users as well, friends and family carers, to try and come up with solutions that would actually work for people.
New ideas don't come out of nowhere. It is about putting together different people with different experiences.
The voluntary and community sector needs to collaborate and take risks itself, and that co-production and collaboration were key things for people going forward.
I think that was really interesting that people could get up and sort of announce their intention to run a session on the day.
I got a lot out of it. I mean, mostly it was me asking a question and everybody giving me fantastic answers.
It was great because we had about 50-50 technologists and social care providers in the room. It was great. That was a really nice mix. And it was quite good because the social care providers really got it and wanted those kind of solutions.
There was a good balance of contributions to stimulate the discussion, but the energy of the people in the room took it forward, so I really enjoyed it.
The bulk of the people here, and certainly I would say 99% of them that I've heard speaking, have been positive and want the process to move forward.
We were just in a really great workshop and we were talking about internet connectivity and how that can be embedded into some services that are currently being delivered. I hope I'm not going to get in trouble for sharing this, but there was a great idea about the lifeline bracelets and how they're ugly and they're not getting used, and how we could make them into really nice pretty brooches that women would want to buy and want to wear.
So hopefully Wendy will be able to get one of her time bank jewellery designers to work with the techies to come up with jewellery, which we then decided we should market through Boots to get people to wear and generate income for everybody.
I'm really excited by some of the stuff that comes out because it's not just ideas. It seems like it's plausible and feasible things that could happen in the very near future, so it's really exciting stuff.
So we thought there needs to be more opportunities for people to participate in work experience at school level. And we also thought that social enterprises, time banking could come into employment as a meaningful alternative to paid work. So my next step is to email her about an opportunity about running a cafe in Liverpool with some people with learning disabilities.
Attend more events like this, I think, and get talking to your colleagues and look to find the ideas that are out there.
And we are going to meet again because we think as sort of activists, this is something that needs to be taken onto a sort of bigger agenda. Yeah, we're going to become doers and we're going to push this forward.
We're talking around a number of little startup ideas, and we've already slotted in as one of the three we're going to experiment with something that came out of a social care hack day. Because of today's one, we've decided actually we're going to include it and do it.
I think it would be interesting to have some kind of almost speed dating type event after today, where we actually get the chance perhaps to talk a bit more directly with some people who perhaps might have been interested in each other's work. Some kind of guided networking would be really useful.
What was your word when you came here today at the beginning?
It was quite cheesy. I was just happy to be here. I think looking back, I'd change that, and I'd say my word is overloaded with information. But that's the great thing, and I can take it away and just feed it back to our I work with and talk about how we can take it forward.